Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, what is the lateral surface area of the rectangular prism in square feet? So what is it that I'm going to be looking for? We're looking for the lateral surface area, and the shape is going to be a rectangular prism. Okay, so the first thing we want to identify is, of course, the formula, right? You guys have a reference materials or formula chart. You can always find it there, or maybe some of you guys already memorized it, right? And the formula for that is S equals P times H, where P stands for the perimeter of the base and the H is the height of your prism, right? So let's see if we can find the perimeter for my base, right? So remember, the perimeter means the distance around the shape, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna highlight the perimeter for my base. Okay, so let's highlight my perimeter. So this is the length, that's the width, this is the other length, and this is the other width, right? So I can do the same thing on the opposite face, because remember that in a rectangular prism or in a prism, I always have two faces that are exactly the same. They're congruent, right? So those are my two bases, okay? So now let's look at the numbers that are given to you. So 16.5, it's the length, and the 4 feet is gonna be my width, okay? Therefore, the 9, notice how the 9 is not highlighted, right? Because the 9 is not part of the basis. 9 is actually the height of your prism. So this is gonna be my height right there, okay? And it is 9 feet. So the first thing I want to do is I want to find the perimeter for my base, which is a rectangle, right? So let me write it over here. This is a rectangle. There is one formula, and of course you can always just add up all the measurements that you have on the base, but we can always use a formula, which is 2L plus 2W, which means twice the length plus twice the width, right? So let's go ahead and finish it up. So we have the length, it's 16.5 feet plus 2 times the width, which is 4 feet. Okay? If you input all that in the calculator, okay, you can get one answer, and once it's up to you, right? You guys will get 41 feet, okay? And that will be my perimeter, okay? So what I can do is I can come back to my actual formula and I can start replacing values, right? So it says surface area will be equals to perimeter. It's 41 feet times the height. The height of my prism is 9 feet, okay? So my perimeter, it's 41 feet, right? And the height, it's 9 feet, okay? So, and that's it. I know what you're thinking. That's so quick. Like, why did I finish so quick? Because you're only looking for the lateral surface area, which means the surrounding, right? Only the sides. You don't want to find the area of the bases. That's why we're not multiplying the bases or nothing like that, okay? So let's continue with the formula. So now you need to multiply 41 feet times 9 feet, okay? And we get 369 square feet. Remember that area is always measured with the square units, okay? So what's my answer for this one, okay? My answer for this, it is letter A for that one.